Go!
Kasaya mo na ako.
Uy, ano ba? Tapos na natin to. Magbe-Facebook pa ako.
Oo nga, tara na.
Mag-Facebook
Magpe-Facebook pa rin ako eh.
Dali lang. Kaya tawagan pa ako.
Ayan. Tignan mo sila, kaya wala nangyayari.
Sige, let's start. Siyempre, dapat magagaling tayo. Kasi, tingin ko, binibidyohan ako. So, dapat mag-English-Englishan tayo.
Oo, tama.
Okay,
Tama.
guys.
Tama.
To start our discussion.
Let's pray.
Huwag na tayo mag-discuss. In your opinion, guys, what are the policies that should be implemented in our school?
Policies? Sila pa ba dun?
Kailangan yun, no?
Bobby, ayun nga yung sasagutin eh. Ayun nga ipapasa natin kay Sir.
Ayaw nga. Oo, kay Sir Bahili.
Saka nagawa na natin yan, i-recall na lang natin. Ulitin kita tanong in your opinion, guys, what are the policies that should be implemented in our school? Siyempre, to improve our lives. At the time of our lives.
Exactly.
Tama.
So, what on your mind, Mr. De Rojas?
Para sa akin all instructors shall be subjected to pass the minimum requirements given by the Civil Service Commission for college teachers.
Maganda.
Ulit na pa.
Bakit kailangan magkaroon pa ng Civil Service Commission? Ako
Bobby, kailangan kailangan nga rin yung paliwanag nila na dapat lahat ng teachers na nagtatrabaho o nagtuturo sa institution na ito should be required to pass the minimum requirements that was made by the Civil Service Commission for college teachers. So, ibig sabihin, huwag ka magturo kung wala kang masteral. Pero, na-exception naman ata, di ba? Yung mga let passers, pwede naman magturo. Pero yung iba, siyempre, di ba, mag-graduate mo lang, tapos magtuturo ka kagad, di ba?
Parang hindi naman
So, what do you think to yourself? Ka-level mo yung magagaling na professor? Without knowing that there are requisites for you to teach in college, di ba?
Tama.
Tama din.
Siyempre, kailangan natin yun to lift the quality of education in our school.
Tama. How about you, Mr. Ordonio?
For me, so that the few but competent teachers will be not be included on the present rotten system of our university, and in the near future, this few will become majority, if not all, in terms of numbers.
Oo, tama. Tama, di ba? Ibig sabihin,
Tatalino talaga ng polls,
ibig sabihin, konti na lang pala yung mga magagaling na professor sa
Oo nga, napaisip din ako bigla.
Dapat i-preserve sila so that, tama siya, in the near future, in the near future, yung kaunti na yun, dadami, at kung hindi lahat, majority, magpo-promote ng quality education in our school.
So that the small government fund that was allotted in our school
For quality
education
will not
will not be wasted.
So you're talking about the money.
Yes.
Oo, tama. Parang hindi masayang yung parang hindi masayang yung pera ng gobyerno. Tapos, sa tingin mo, baka may quote ka naman maibibigay, di ba?
ikaw naman.
Sa'yo.
Well, para sa akin, if the government expended the funds to incompetent, why not in the competent? Di ba?
Yun.
Parang kung
Oo nga.
kung nakakapag-raise naman tayo ng pambayad sa mga incompetent, bakit hindi pa tayo magbayad sa mga competent?
Tama.
Kung gano'n din naman
Oo,
yung
tama.
diba? Some sort of a like.
So, ibig sabihin, parang pagkain lang din. Di sing mahal. Pero sing sarap.
Tama.